Good morning, students. Standard 10th, Mathematics Part 2nd, Part 2nd, Chapter number 1, Similarity. Today we study the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Theorem: when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Here two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, given these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, similar triangles. So right here given point, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, and also AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Given point. To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square. Here AB square upon PQ square, corresponding side square, AB square upon PQ square equal to BC square upon QR square equal to AC square upon PR square. To prove, to find out the ratios of areas of given two triangle, using the property number 1, the ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratios of product of their corresponding sides and corresponding height. So we can, using this property number 1, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC into AD. In given figure, BC is the base and AD is their height. Therefore, BC into AD upon QR into PS. QR into PS. QR is the base and here PS is the height. So, BC into AD upon QR into PS. Equal to, write separately BC upon QR into AD upon PS. That is the statement number 1, equation number 1. In triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Second, in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Here angle B equal to angle Q. That is the given, because the given two triangles are similar. So the similar triangle angle are congruent. So first write the statement angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q given. Then next point, therefore angle ADB and angle PSQ. These two angles are also equal, these two angles are also congruent because each angle is 90 degree. Therefore angle ADB equal to angle PSQ equal to 90 degree. Therefore given two triangles are similar according to angle test, AAA test. If the given two triangles ABD and APQS, these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write the next equation, AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ. AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ. That is the second equation. But in given point, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Therefore, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. So we can write here, these two triangles ABC similar triangle PQR, their corresponding sides are also proportional. Therefore we can write AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. So we can write from 1, 2 and 3. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. In first equation, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Using this first 2 and 3, we can write BC equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS ऐवजी आपण BC upon QR या ठिकाणी लिहू शकतो. BC upon QR into BC upon QR. BC into BC square upon QR square equal to AB square upon PQ square equal to AC square upon PR square. So we can prove here theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangle, that is the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratios of the square of their corresponding side. For the above theorem, we can solve here one example. In triangle ABC, here example number 1, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to 16 and area of triangle PQR equal to 25. Then find the value of AB upon PQ. Given two triangles are similar, that is using the theorem of areas of similar triangle, we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square. So substitute the value of ABC is 16 and PQR equal to 25, that is 16 upon 25 upon AB square upon PQ square. Taking square root both sides, so we can find out here AB upon PQ equal to 4 upon 5, equal to 4 upon 5.